Hi, this is Amanda Graff, Digital Learning Specialist at West Claremont High School, and today I'm going to show you some things about Schoology so that you can be on the same page with your teachers and you can know how to effectively complete and submit your assignments, as well as how to use Schoology to its fullest potential. So when you log in here, the first thing that you're going to see is your main page, which if you're familiar with Facebook, this is very similar in that it's like your news feed. Any updates that Mr. Gebhardt, the principal, posts will be in here. Any updates from your teachers or coaches or any clubs that you're in will be on this main page, with the newest update being on the top. To the right, you have assignments. So anything that's overdue will be up here, and any upcoming assignments will be underneath for all your different classes. You also have a drop-down on the top for courses, which at this point, these should be the correct courses. If they're not, please send me a message so that I can correct them for you. Any groups that you're a part of would be here. And then any resources that you would want to add, you can add to this personal resources page. Also on the top, you'll have notifications here. So if you have an assignment that's posted, it will show up in your notifications page. You also have a messaging tab, which is over here too. So you can click new message. If you need to send a teacher a message or me a message, you can send it here. You cannot send other students a message. On the left, you have grades, which if you click on that, you'll see your grades for your different classes when you click on that course and all the different assignments. You can close that and then click on the other course. Do not worry about the attendance piece. That is not being kept in Schoology, so you don't have to worry about that. You also have a calendar, and if I click on calendar, you'll see all the different events and assignments for all of your courses. Now, this can get kind of confusing because it doesn't actually say which course each assignment is. So one thing that could really help you is if you click the drop down next to all calendars, you can color code the courses in your calendar. So you can make science green and you can make math purple or pink or whatever you want to, so that you know, okay, anything that's green, that means it's a science assignment. Anything that's red, it's a math assignment. Okay. I also want to show you different types of assignments you can be expecting from teachers and what you would need to do to submit those assignments. So I'm going to go into courses here. And depending on how your teacher organizes the course, they may just post the assignments on top. They may organize it into folders. You just need to pay particular attention to your teacher and where they say your assignment is posted. So I have posted this one in Unit 1, Section 3. The first type of assignment that you're going to see most often is a Google Doc assignment. When you click on that, it's going to look like this. What you want to do is you want to click My Assignment. That automatically is going to make a copy that you can edit and you can write on. You do not need to go into your Google Drive whatsoever. You edit this Google Doc within Schoology. So whatever you think the answer is, type them in. And then when you are completely done with that assignment, you hit Submit Assignment. Again, you do not go into your Google Drive. You submit it right through Schoology. So yes, submit, and done. If the due date has not passed yet, you can always hit Unsubmit, and you can redo the assignment if need be. So you can continue to edit it and resubmit it if you need to. So that is the first type of assignment that you're probably going to see pretty often. Another type of assignment that you're going to see is just an assignment where nowhere on there it says that you can submit it. What that means is you're probably going to submit it on paper to your teacher. So if I click on this, it's a PDF file that I cannot edit. I cannot change, and there's nowhere on there that says submit. So that means I'll be submitting it to my teacher. Your teacher just posted on here so parents can see it, or so if you go home and you forget it, you can print it out at home and do it, but you're not going to be submitting it through Schoology whatsoever. So that's the second type of assignment. The third type of assignment is really any kind of upload. So it doesn't have to be a document. It doesn't have to be a Google Doc. It could be maybe a picture or maybe a recording. So here, if I go to submit assignment, it's going to give you a few options. So it's going to say upload. So if you do have a file saved, you can click on that and it'll pull up a file. An audio video recording. If you go to create, you can type it in here if you are going to do it as assignment. You just have to make sure you hit submit, or you can pull it from your resources if you happen to save it in your resources. And then you hit submit that way. You can resubmit these assignments also. So those are the 3 different assignments that you are going to see most often within Schoology. You might also see these little puzzle pieces looking things, and these are the quiz and assessment functions within Schoology. Now, it doesn't necessarily mean that your teacher is using it as a quiz grade. It's just a feature within Schoology where you answer, maybe it's multiple choice, or maybe it's numeric, or maybe it's essay, but it's all done within Schoology. So if I go to start new, then I can answer, go to the next one, answer, go to the next one. So it basically looks like most tests that you've seen. If you don't finish, it will save what you've done and you can come back to it and finish later depending on what that teacher has decided that you can do. And then the very last one that you'll see is an assessment feature, which is very similar to the quiz. Whoops, I think I went into the wrong section there. But it is, it might have different types of questions, like drag and drop questions or that, and it might look a little different, but you just go to start new. And again, if you don't finish it and your teacher says it's okay, it will save what you've done and then you can submit it at the end. So you just, what you need to do, here's a drag and drop. On the drag and drop, you do have to make sure that the blank changes to blue, and then you can put it in there. Go to next. You can review. Now, this type of quiz feature has a lot of different more functions where you can flag questions to make sure that you know that you need to go back to them, and so on. And then when you're done, you will see submit, and you could submit the response. You can also eliminate choices in this one if that is a function that your teacher has chosen to use on this test. So hopefully that's helped you learn a little bit more about Schoology. And like I said, if you have trouble with it, just message me on here and type in the last name Graf, G-R-A-F with one F, and I can help you out. Thanks. Have a great day.